My Samsung refrigerator, model number RF266ABWP, is putting out salty water through this ice maker and the water spout in the refrigerator.
How long have you had your RF266ABWP?
About 9 years.
What have you tried so far with your RF266ABWP?
I have changed the filter twice. It solves the problem for about a month and then gets salty again.
Anything else you want the electronics expert to know before I connect you?
No.
Hi, I'm James, a JustAnswer expert. We offer chargeable services. You may see adverts for me to call you. These are optional services you can purchase. Where do you think the salt is coming from? Is the water line contaminated? If you run water from the water line into a glass, does that taste salty?
I don't know for sure. Water from the tap is not salty, but it is salty from the refrigerator. I think the problem is the filter, but I have changed the filter twice. It fixes the problem for a couple of weeks but then starts again. Filters should last about 6 months, not just 2 weeks.
The filter shouldn't contain any salt elements. Is this an inline filter you have which goes on the external water line?
This is the filter inside the refrigerator.
Right, and you're using genuine Samsung filters?
It's an AquaPure Plus which I ordered online.
Understood, so that will be part DA2900003G, which is the genuine filter for this model. The only other thing I can think of to rule out the filter is when you notice it from the dispenser. Take some ice from the top of the hopper and put in a glass, let it melt, and then taste it and see if that also tastes the same. That rules out an issue with the reservoir for cold water.
Okay. I'll try that. I have a funeral to attend this morning, so it will be later today before I can do it. Thank you. The ice cubes are definitely very salty.
Okay, the next thing I would do is disconnect the water line going to fridge and put that into a glass and taste it, just so we can be sure it's the fridge, as it may be the tap is coming off a different part of the water main.
Okay. I'll have to get some help for that.
Understood. Let me know how you get on.
Will do.
How did you get on?
I'll call you later.
I won't be working later as I'm UK based, but we'll pick this up when next working.
Okay. Who is this? Obviously not who I thought.
I am an expert from JustAnswer. Have a good day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.